super awesome day today. Heading to Chichicastenango for what's supposed to be one of the highlights of Guatemala. It's seeing the market there. It's supposed to be the biggest handicrafts market in the world and the biggest outdoor market in the Americas. So it's gonna be mind-blowing. I'm really excited. And well, this is where Google brought me. Took me on up this road, man. I'm like, dude, there's no way this is the right way. The city's down there. I guess this is the shortcut. A lot of interesting riding on this deal. This is gonna be a cool little ride.
Try me once again, my love. Call me once again and ask me for the mother world. What a love. We just the one love.
Between the dog chasing me and that tiny little single track, skinny single track, that if I went off on either side, would have been a disaster. So I guess this is like the prelude to the big market that we're gonna go to. For a second I was like, oh, I'm here. And I was like, oh wait, no, I'm in the wrong city.
Word of the love. We just say what a love. What a love. We just say what a love. For they say of love. Love for the love, yeah.
That was close. That was super close. I don't know what I fucking hit, but that was not good. Ah, the heart is going. All right. Just gotta pretend like I'm coaching a client now. What would I tell them? Just breathe. Get your breath back. Bring the heart rate down. I'm probably at like at about 110 right now. That's a lot of this is just pure confidence, man. I know that there's world guys that could ride this without any sweat. For those guys, I'm sure it's like, this is nothing, dude. What are you worried about? I'll tell you what I'm worried about. I'm worried about crashing. That's what I'm worried about. All right, man, I'm going for it. We got some pavement here. Oh. Wasn't too bad. Too bad. We gotta not freak out. It's all good. It's fucking easy. Come on. Things got a little ugly again. Fuck, and this looks fucking heinous. This is what I gotta deal with right now. Made it! Woo! Oh man, fucking stressed. Look at this shit. Look at this fucking road, man. This might have been doable if I just sucked it up and just blasted up this thing, but it gets worse, so I'm not gonna risk it. I just can't risk it. Now the question is, how do I get out of here? To turn this bike around here. Now the question is, how do I get out of here? To turn this bike around here. Yeah. I want to see how I'm going to do that. This is going to be interesting. Here we go. Slide, slide, baby. Slide, slide. Take me back. Take me back, but don't fucking go too far back. All right. The thing is, I can definitely make a turn here. And this is terrible. This is what I got to deal with right here. Is just, it's like, yeah, dude, this is what adrenaline feels like. Haven't felt that in a while. Somehow, with a ton of help from the universe, dug myself out of that one. I would say this is an absolute must do on your trip to Guatemala. I love it, dude. This reminds me of Southeast Asia, man, where you're in these tiny little alleys. A great place to get into a lot of trouble.